Ready to make your collection shine? Welcome to Hyper Theme Tutorial by Foxycomb. In today's video, we'll show you how to set up a collection banner in the Hyper Shopify theme, helping you grab attention and boost conversions. Collection banners are a great way to highlight specific categories and create a visually appealing shopping experience for your customers. Let's dive into how you can easily customize the collection banner in Hyper. First, let's display the collection image. To do this, simply toggle the collection image setting in the theme editor. Make sure to use a high-quality image that fits the overall style of your collection. This will be the first thing your customers see when they land on your collection page. By default, Hyper Theme takes the featured image of the collection set in your Shopify admin. If you haven't set a featured image for your collection, don't worry. The theme will automatically pull the first product's image in the collection. Here's an important tip. In the collection banner section, you can also upload a default image to use if no image is set for the collection while the first product doesn't have images. This option gives you more control over your collection's appearance, ensuring consistency in your design. Want to use a completely unique image for each collection? You can do this with Shopify Metafields. Metafields allow you to assign specific images for desktop and mobile views per collection dynamically. This means you can have a different collection banner for every collection, based on the content or theme of each one. To use this, create Metafield definition. Make sure the namespace and key match are predefined. Here we'll be creating for custom desktop banner. For detailed steps on setting this up, refer to the link in the description below. Now, let's move on to customizing the section itself. Once your image is set, you can adjust various settings to fit your store's design. For example, you can adjust the image position, whether it's centered, aligned to the left or right, or stretched. It's important to keep your image ratio in mind. A square or rectangular image tends to work best for this section. What if you want to use a different collection banner layout across multiple collections? For example, maybe you want a different banner position for a featured collection. You can create a custom template for each collection and adjust the layout accordingly. To do this, you'll need to create a new custom template for the specific collection you want to modify. We have some pre-added collection templates for you to use. In the theme editor, go to Templates and select Create New Template for Collections. Once the new template is created, you can customize the collection banner settings and other sections on the page without changing the default template. To assign a template, go to the Collections section of your Shopify admin. The template options that display are based on the available templates only in your current live theme. That's it. You've now customized your collection banner in the Hyper theme. By using high-quality images and adjusting settings to match your brand, you've created a more engaging shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on customizing your Shopify store. Check the description below for more guides and links. Happy selling!